Halaman 29. Uwan siap. Seorang pria muda pergi ke showroom mobil. Dia mengenakan sepatu boot karet dan sebuah jaket yang kotor. Dia sangat butuh potong rambut dan tidak bercukur. Pria muda itu memeriksa mobil mahal yang dengan hati-hati dan kemudian berbalik untuk berbicara dengan salesman. Berapa harga mobil ini? Dia bertanya. 1.218 pounds sterling. Salesman berkata, saya akan memiliki 16 dari mobil tersebut, kata pemuda itu. Salesman itu tersenyum. Dia merasa sulit berperilaku sopan. Anda bercanda? Tentu saja, dia berkata. Saya tidak khawatir, kami tidak dapat membantu Anda. Mobil ini tidak untuk dijual. Salesman menunjukkan pintu kepada pelanggannya dan pria muda itu meninggalkan toko tanpa mengatakan apapun. Dia pergi ke showroom di seberang jalan dan meminta 16 mobil. Penjual kedua itu sopan dan membantu pemuda itu mengeluarkan setumpuk uang dari sakunya dan membayar mobil secara tunai, dan dia menjelaskan bahwa mobil-mobil itu untuk dirinya sendiri dan 15 rekannya. Dia mengatakan bahwa dia dan rekan-rekannya mengerjakan sebuah perahu nelayan orang Norwegia. Kami telah menghasilkan banyak uang musim ini, pria itu berkata, dan kami ingin membeli mobil. Secara alami, salesman kedua sangat senang. Lesson 29. Ready money. A young man went to a car showroom. He was wearing rubber boots and a dirty jacket. He needed a haircut badly and was unshaven. The young man examined an expensive car carefully and then turned to speak to the salesman. How much does this car cost? He asked. 1,280 pounds. The salesman said. I have 16 of them, the young man said. The salesman smiled. He found it hard to be polite. You are joking, of course, he said. I am afraid we can't help you. This car is not for sale. The salesman showed his customer the door, and the young man left the shop without a word. He went to a showroom on the underside of the street and asked for 6 cars. The second salesman was polite and helpful. The young man took a bundle of notice out of his pocket and paid for the cars in cash. He explained of his pocket and paid for the cars in cash. He explained that the cars were for himself and his 15 colleagues. He said that he and his colleagues worked on a Norwegian fishing boat. We have need a lot of money this season, the man said, and we went to buy cars. Naturally, the second salesman was diligent. Answer this question. Jawablah pertanyaan-pertanyaan berikut. Apakah pemuda itu sedang mengenakan sepatu boot karet? Was the young man wearing rubber boots? Yes, he was. 2. Dia sedang mengenakan sebuah jaket yang kotor, bukan? He was wearing a dirty jacket too, wasn't he? Yes, he was. Tidakkah dia membutuhkan potongan rambut dan cukur jenggot? Didn't he need a haircut and a shave? Yes, he did. 4. Apakah dia menanyakan harga sebuah mobil? Did he ask the price of a car? Yes, he did. 5. Itu adalah sebuah mobil yang mahal, bukan? It was an expensive one, wasn't it? Yes, it was. 6. Does the man want to buy 16 cars? Apakah laki-laki itu ingin membeli 16 mobil? Yes, he does. 7. Salesman tidak percaya padanya, bukan? The salesman didn't believe him, did he? Hmm, did he? Yes, he does. 8. Akankah pemuda itu membeli mobil-mobil di toko yang lain? Will the young man buy the cars at under shop? Yes, he did. 9. Apakah dia bekerja pada sebuah perahu memancing nelayan? Yeah, does he work on a fishing boat? Yes, he does. 10. Apakah dia telah menghasilkan banyak uang tahun ini? Has he earned a lot of money this year? Yes, he has. 11. Apakah teman-temannya telah menghasilkan banyak uang juga? His colleagues earned a lot of money too? Yes, they have. 12. Siapa yang ingin membeli 16 mobil? Who wanted to buy 16 cars? The young man. 13. Siapa yang berpikir pemuda itu sedang bercanda? Who thought the young man was joking? The salesman. 14. Siapa yang bekerja pada sebuah perahu mancing? Who works on a fishing boat? The young man and colleagues. 15. Siapa yang telah menghasilkan banyak uang tahun ini? The young man and who has earned a lot of money this year? The young man and colleagues. 16. Apakah pemuda itu berpakaian dengan sebuah setelan atau apakah dia sedang mengenakan sepatu boots karet dan sebuah jaket yang kotor? Was the young man dressed in a suit or was he wearing rubber boots and a dirty jacket? He wearing rubber boots and a dirty jacket. 17. Apakah dia ingin membeli mobil murah atau sebuah mobil yang mahal? Did he want to buy a cheap car or an expensive one? Expensive one. 18. Apakah dia ingin membeli satu mobil atau 16 mobil? Did he want one car or 16 cars? 16 cars. 19. Apakah salesman pertama membantu atau tidak membantu? Was the first salesman helpful or unhelpful? 20. Apakah pemuda itu pergi ke toko lain atau dia tetap berada di toko sama? Did the young man go to the under shop or did he stay in the some shop? Young man go to under shop. 21. Apakah dia membayar mobil-mobil dengan tunai atau dengan cek? He pay for the cars in cash or by check with cash. 22. Mengapa salesman yang pertama berpikir bahwa pemuda itu sedang bercanda? Why did the first salesman think the young man was joking? The young man have 16 of them. 23. Di manakah showroom mobil kedua? Where was the second car showroom? Their side of the street. 24. Berapa banyak mobil yang pemuda itu ingin beli? How many cars did the man want to buy? 16. 25. Bagaimana pemuda itu membayar mobil? How did the man pay for the cars? He paid for the cars in cash. 26. Di mana pemuda itu bekerja? Where did the young man work? Norwegian fishing boat. 27. Kenapa dia ingin membeli 16 mobil? Why did he want 16 cars? The cars were for himself and his 15 colleagues. Atar.